In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Whiteboard with Copilot. To get started, open Microsoft Whiteboard in your browser or app so you can follow along from the main workspace. Once you're on the Whiteboard home screen, direct your attention to the top left corner. There, you'll see the app menu icon. Go ahead and click that icon to open the menu. After the menu opens, look for the Microsoft 365 option and select it. This will take you into the broader Microsoft 365 environment, where Copilot features are connected more directly with your apps and workflow. If you're new to this area, don't worry. The key thing to understand is that Whiteboard can work alongside Copilot through Microsoft 365, which allows you to turn simple ideas into more structured content and brainstorming support. From here, you can begin trying Copilot by entering your ideas into the chat. This is where the experience becomes useful for planning, brainstorming, or organizing thoughts. For example, you can type in a topic, a rough concept, or a project idea, and Copilot can help you expand on it, refine it, or give you a starting point to build from. This can be especially helpful if you're staring at a blank whiteboard and want help getting momentum. One important thing to keep in mind is that the Copilot chat feature requires an eligible Microsoft 365 plan. If you don't currently have access to that feature, you'll need to upgrade your plan before you can use Copilot in this way. So if you open Microsoft 365 and don't see the chat available, that usually means your current subscription doesn't include Copilot access yet. If you do have the correct plan, you can simply start entering ideas and use Copilot as a creative assistant while working in the Microsoft ecosystem. A good tip here is to keep your prompts clear and specific. The more focused your idea is, the more useful the response is likely to be. Even a short phrase can work, but adding a bit of context can help Copilot generate more relevant suggestions. That's really all there is to it. The process is simple. Open Microsoft Whiteboard, click the app menu icon in the top left, choose Microsoft 365, and then start using Copilot chat with your ideas if your plan supports it. Once you're set up, it can be a helpful way to brainstorm faster and make better use of Whiteboard in your workflow.